pan up at some point in this session up to 30% of all the gains, or 20%. Yeah, maybe short sellers have stepped in to make a meal of all the gains. So let's see what's going on. We noted earlier on that the 14th of April $5 calls, earlier on it had a gain of 1,400%. Now the gain is now only 966 points, or rather 1,066.67%. Okay, let's return and see what is going on with MULN. MULN is down 4.19%, but still heavy volumes are involved. Definitely one of the most active stocks. Yeah, because it's a down day for the stock, so the options, the call options, are not doing so well. Let's see what the puts are doing. The puts are equally not doing so fantastically well. Okay, let's see HYMC. Okay, the market has just closed. Okay, it's closing in 1 minute. That's the book is closed now. HYMC Highcroft Mining down 6.09%. $55.504 million shares across the tape. So the biggest loser of all of these top gainers will be the $6 4th of April calls. It has lost about 50% of its value, but the $2.50 calls has the biggest volume there, 10.827 million shares. Sorry, contracts rather. Do 250 calls. The ask is 0.2, the bid is 0.15, 5-cent spread. Not a very wonderful spread. It means once you buy it, you have lost 25% of your value right away. The spreads are not so wonderful for HYMC 14th of, okay, these are 8th of April. If they are not that good, what will these ones be? Will they be any better? Pretty much the same sort of spreads we are looking at here. Okay, let's have a look at okay, we looked at HYMC. Let's look at AMC now. Yes, if you're there, thank you very much for joining us. AMC up 0.39 in this post-market session. Okay, 65.099099 million shares across the tape. No big, we have declines, almost 19, almost 100% for the 24th, or sorry, okay, these are expiring today, the 1st of April calls. Okay, so these are to be expected on the day they decline and also on the day it's expiring, so that's what should be expected. Next one is TLRY. TLRY down 3.73, but is up 0.27% now. Okay, today this is says U.S. House passes bill to legalize marijuana. The U.S. House of Representatives approved a bill to federally decriminalize marijuana. The Marijuana Opportunity Investment Expungement Act removes cannabis from the list of U.S. scheduled substances and eliminates criminal penalties for people who take, distribute, or possess it. It also lays out a process to expunge convictions related to cannabis offenses and imposes a tax on cannabis products. The bill now heads to the Senate, where it faces low prospects of passing, according to multiple media reports. Cannabis stocks were okay, so that's the next hurdle it's going to face. So thank you very much for joining us. We are looking at TLRY and indeed all the other stocks you saw on the title. The number of shares, the volume of shares that crossed the tape for TLRY is 93.813 million shares. It actually closed down. Okay, let's look at the LGVN. LGVN. Okay, gained 13.12 ultimately, and it is now down 0.9% right now. Yes, it is still that phase 1 study that is, amongst other things, that's the freshest news, the most current news it has. 81.27 million shares, 81.275 million shares across the tape. Okay, let's look at CLVR. Clvr Leaves Holding Inc. It is down 1.21%. Okay, it's a cannabis stock. What's optionable as well. GREE. Green Generation Holdings, it's up 33.95%, down 2.08%. It says the company swung to a Q4 adjusted profit revenue increased. Volume was 20.627 million shares. and the biggest gainer in terms of price should be the it is the 1250 14th of April calls, gain 578%. I think it also has the biggest volume of 5,994. Mining and Napier, it's closed up 40.4%, down 0.47%. Okay, it's going private. So the SPX, the S&P 500 closed at 4545, 4,545.86, a gain of 0.34%. Okay, let's see where Takong Art is. It's down 2.3% now in this post-market session. MULN is down, rather up 1.39%. The volumes are quite a heavy one, meaning that it is a lot of interest from buyers and sellers alike. So it may have been a great scalping session for the stock. Maybe not great, but that must have been what happened. Because let's see, there wasn't a huge amount of spikes as such. Hymc, Highcroft Mining, still down 1.85% now. Momentum is very flat, totally sold out. RSI is also below 50, indicating that sellers are in control of Hymc at the moment. AMC is up 0.13% now. TLRY up 0.13. LGVN down 2.75. Clvr leaves. Clvr down 2.02%. GREE generation up 1.04%. Mining Napier is unchanged at the moment. At some point it spiked. So the market has since closed. Says speculators raised bearish bets on benchmark U.S. Treasury 10-year note futures to the highest level since June of 2019. Commodity Futures Trading Commission data showed on Friday, that is today, the 1st of April, US 10-year note futures net shorts increased to 476,557 contracts in the week ended March 29th, from net shorts of 263,834 the previous week. Speculators also increased their net short bets on US 2-year and 5-year note futures. Yeah, that's some of the news out there. I think there's more. Let's see, AMC. Okay, this was in the morning. Okay, MULN is holding up at 2.89 in this post-market session. Okay, so time to sign out, and thank you everybody for